My name is Federico Uribe. I'm an artist from Colombia. I was born in Colombia, but I live in Miami for the last 18 years of my life. I have a studio there. I build objects out of objects. I build objects for different reasons. I build objects because I'm attracted to objects and because I have this compulsiveness to build non-stop, to nail thousands of times and to do this repetitive actions that create textures. But I have conceptual reasons and I have emotional reasons and I have all sorts of reasons to do this. I started building these installations about 16 years ago. It's much bigger than it is here. I have been accumulating objects and creating objects out of objects for the last 17 years, creating this environment that changes a little in every museum that with its exhibit, but it shows a range of work and from made with different materials for different reasons. Some of them are casual, like Puma. The Puma shoes gave me 2,000 pairs of shoes at one part of my life, and I built a lot of animals made out of shoes. People kill animals to make shoes. I disassembled shoes to make animals. Then I made an exhibition and an installation that was only made out of trees, out of books. Trees are made out of books. People kill trees to make books. Disassembled books to make trees.